All right, lift off and the clock is started.
0G and I feel fine.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
One of the programs we started was inviting the center director down to the floor to actually work on the orbiter with us and understand what it took to get one ready. The first one was Jay Honeycutt came down, and we assigned him with a female structure mechanic. We did not tell the mechanic who he was and said, you need to tag along with her and see what it takes for her to do her job this morning. It didn't take the techs very long to figure out who he was. But after spending several hours inside the aft compartment of the orbiter and that, he came out and he said, I have a whole new respect for what the technicians have to do. He said, I'm coming back. When Jim Kennedy was center director, I invited him down, and we had some issues down in the ECLS bay, which is a tight place down in the forward section of the orbiter. Jim went there, put on his bunny suit, climbed down inside there and said, we're not going to allow you to do anything because the tech's got to crawl down in here in a really tight place, but you got to get down here and lay down on the floor and crawl back in a little bit to see what he's doing in that. At the end of the task, he came out and he says, I can't believe that your people have to work down in a position like that. It said, it seems like we've been in there all day. And I said, no, from the time you logged in until you came out, you were only in there 46 minutes.